professional opportunities that this program provides are substantial. I think out of our entire class, I would say about 90% found a job and the remaining 10% are just not looking for one at the moment. The opportunities are ample in different fields. It doesn't have to be solely bank or the finance industry, but you can find some in the pharmaceutical industry. I believe one got an offer from Lufthansa as well. I think we have another one working in Deutsche Bahn. So the opportunities are ample, and it's just a matter of figuring out whether or not you want to work your first or second semester and going from there. I found my current position via guest lecturer from one of our modules, the Language of Business module. I really liked what the lecture was about. It was about digital consultancy, digital architecture. And after the module was over, I reached out to the lecturer and connected via LinkedIn. A few informational interviews later, personal interviews, and I had the contract in my hands. So the kind of tasks that I'm doing on the day-to-day involve anything from attending client calls and listening to what the client is looking for, trying to figure out how we're going to implement their data into the type of analytics that they want or the type of results that they're looking for, whether it's structuring a database or just running some analytical apps such as Alteryx or creating some form of data pipeline using AWS or Azure. It really depends on the task. And now I'm currently running a lot of Alteryx workflows, and shortly I believe I'll be starting with some AWS projects as well. So a lot of learning. So combining work and study is a lot like juggling. My first answer would be a lot of coffee. But honestly, it's just about time management. So with the 3-day model that the Frankfurt School provides, I know that Thursday through Saturday I will have lecture, or I'll be working in a project with a group on a Sunday, and Monday, Tuesday, and half of Wednesday I'll be working. So having that set schedule really allows me to structure myself and gives me that flexibility that I need to be able to handle both things at the same time. So my career has already been through a lot of different paths. So I began as a chemical engineer working at a wastewater treatment plant, all the way to nuclear power plants, and now being a data scientist, the doors are open to so many different paths. I'm currently trying to figure out if I want to pursue a PhD in machine learning or if I want to continue working at the company that I'm working at right now. I hope to have a clear answer after my thesis is done, but so far I believe I have a lot of doors open, and it's just going to be a matter of choosing.